You guys know what time it is. It is reset time. New month, new budget, or same budget, or you know what it is. New month, new budget. Let's jump into it. Hey friends, hey, thank you for clicking on today's video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Simone. I am a zero-based budgeter on a mission to becoming debt-free by applying the Dave Ramsey methods to my finances. Alright y'all, so I am going to start off by setting up my new budget. We are in a new month. Let me just get my fancy highlighters here. And I got these from, where did I get these from? Temu. And they're the Nubular colors, so you know, like a outer space type of theme. We are in the month of June. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill out my June spread, and then we'll just get into the nitty-gritty of things, okay? Okay, so I'm finished filling out the calendar spread. Let me just take the calculator over there a little bit. Push this up to ensure that everything is in the frame. Okay, so the first thing I did was I went ahead and add the dates. So I'm just going to make a little note. For this month, I actually want to go ahead and pay off my Flexit credit card in full. Okay, so pay Flexit in full. So that will kind of eliminate one of my credit cards that I have. So that is a goal of mine. I have an entire section dedicated to monthly intentions. So I will fill this out. This part of it, I want to keep a little bit to myself. And as things come to pass, I will kind of present it to you. But I do have a monthly section dedicated for monthly goals or monthly intentions, but I'm just gonna do a little note that I want to pay my Flexit card in full. And if my hands look a little shiny, y'all, I went in my daughter's room to just put a little lotion on my hand and I got bedazzled. So my hands are super sparkly and I love the look of it, but hopefully it's not too distracting. Okay, so dates are added. Now I need to go in with my bills, or is it bills? No, my paydays. Let me go ahead and add my paydays. Let me get the payday stickers because I do have some trusty payday stickers. Okay, so I got my payday stickers here and it's super simple. I get paid semi-monthly. So that is on the, ooh, it's supposed to be on the 15th, but the 15th lands on a Saturday. So that means I'm going to get paid on the 14th. And then the 30th lands on a Thursday. So the last pay week or business week in the month will be the 28th, right? Because the 29th is on a Saturday, the 23rd is on Sunday, and the 30th is on Sunday. So this month I will get paid on the 14th and on the 28th. So that is good. So once I get paid, I'll just kind of put how much I make. For now, I'm not entirely sure because sometimes I pull more hours than others, but I try to do like my same. But I know this month for sure some staffs are going to go on vacation, so I will be working a little bit extra hours, which is good. It's good for the pocket. I am not complaining. So paydays are checked. Now I need to go ahead and do my bills. I'll do my debts first because you know why? It's a little bit quicker. So let's go ahead and do the debts. Okay, so all my bills are accounted for. So I have my dates filled out, my paydays fill out, my bills, my debts, and I have highlight the bills based on the paychecks. So you guys know how I do it. All of the bills that are before the 14th of June will be covered with the money coming in from May 30th, is it? When's the last day of May? The last day is the 30th. So May 30th will cover all of these from the 13th to the 1st, which is my rent. So all of this will be covered with May 30th. And then everything after the 14th will be covered with this bill, with this paycheck, I should say. So from this to this will be with this one. All right, so it's a little confusing. I'm not going to do a highlight. I kind of have it mentally in my head, so I'll just check it. And the goal, keep me accountable, is to pay off my Flexit info. I don't have that much on it, so that's why I'm trying to flex, like I'm gonna pay a handful. It's like $200, guys, because I've been very diligent and paying down my credit, and it's so rewarding to just kind of pay your credit card down. The benefits are so amazing, and you know, you become a good little citizen. You become a good little citizen, right? When you pay all your bills on time, okay? Your credit just keeps going up. So June, and we're literally halfway through the year. Like, where did 2024 go? Okay, where did it go? All right, so we're going to, let me just do some quick mathy math here. For income, so from my pay, I'm going to budget $3,000 from my regular pay, and then others, I'm going to say another $3,000. We're just rounding off over here, okay? So that gives me a total of $6,000 to work with. All right, I wonder if I should get you guys closer. Let's get close and personal. Okay, there you go. All right, so I did some math, and I think my total that I'm going to budget for fixed expense is $866. Yeah, $866 is what I'm going to budget for, because I took away a lot, guys. I took away a lot. All right, and this is not with rent, okay? Because you guys don't need to know too much of my business now, do you? Maybe you would like to know. 6,000, whoops, 6,000, take away 866. So that gives us a balance of $5,134 to work with. You guys, it's so hard for me to write straight because I write like kind of slanted, but I'm gonna try my best, okay? So groceries, that's a part of my variable expense, and I'm going to budget $700 for groceries. Then I have children, and we're just gonna say 3 for the month. And it might seem like a lot, but trust me, kids are expensive, and this could really look like nothing in the end, okay? So I have groceries coming in at 700, children 3. For household, I do need to get quite a bit of stuff, so I'm going to say 100. Gas just went up again, so I'm going to budget 180 for gas and then 100 for spending. Let's go ahead and add that up and see how much we are working with. Okay, so I am coming in at $1,380. Okay, so 5,134. Take away $1,380. I have a balance of $3,754 that I am working with. Moving on over to my debts. So I have a MasterCard, then I have a personal Visa, then I have a business Visa, and then I have my Flexit, and then student loan. And this is like back student fee. It's not my official student loan, okay? So for my MasterCard, I am going to put 200. My personal Visa, 3. My business Visa, I am going to put, what did I say I wanted to put? I'll just say 150 for now. It could change. We'll just see. And then my Flexit, I wanted to pay it in full, and I believe that amount is 200. And then for my little student fee, I should call it student fee, I am going to put, let's go in at 50. All right, let's do some math and see what we are totaling out to. Okay, so I have a total of $900 going towards debt for this month. So 3,754 take away 900 gives me a balance of $2,854 to work with. Now we're going into my sinking funds, and I have my high priority, and then I have lifestyle, and then I have my self-care binder that I do, which is one of my favorite. And then I have, so high priority, lifestyle, self-care, and then my financial mindset. We'll just put that. Okay, so for self-care, I usually put $65 inside of it. And then for lifestyle, I want to add $150. And then high priority, I want to also, I want to do $200. Okay, and then for my financial mindset, let's do $100. Okay, hopefully I could do more, but we're just going to, I guess, aim low, and then if we come out on high, that is a positive, right? And then it's always a little bit more rewarding. You just kind of say, yay, I was able to do this, you know? So let's total these out. Okay, so a total of $515 will be going towards my sinking funds, with the exception of like my financial mindset. It's like saving challenge on with it. It's like my saving challenge binder within my saving challenge binder. If you get what I'm saying, it's complex, but that's how I can explain it. All right, so 2,854 take away 515. So I have a balance of $2,339 to work with. Now I'm just going to jump into my saving challenge, and I don't want to kind of box myself in with my saving challenge and be too specific with what I will be putting in what envelope. I kind of like to see, okay, what challenge do I want to finish up with and close out and start something new. That's the approach that I'm taking, because I want to just kind of close challenges out as opposed to having a whole bunch of them open and trying to tackle so many things at once. So because that is my approach, I'm just going to say I'm putting a total of $400 towards my saving challenge, and whichever envelope they kind of land in, I'll then kind of make note of that. So $2,339 take away 400, and that gives me a balance of $1,939 left in the bank. All right, so my summary is all done. I am projecting to have an income of $6,000 with fixed expenses closing in at $866. Variables are coming in at $1,380. Debts, $900. Sinking funds, $515. Savings, $400, and a remaining balance of $1,939 will remain in my account as a buffer. And like I told you guys, if you watched my previous video before this one, me just kind of doing my sinking funds for May, you will see that I am not going to touch any of the funds that are in the sinking fund binders, because I am trying to do a year ahead type of funds, just like 1 month ahead, I'm trying to do 1 year ahead where I'm not touching any of that funds. So this remaining balance will kind of go towards stuff like that. Say I need to do a car repair, oil change, any of that, things of that nature, that the money that is remaining in my account will kind of go towards those, as opposed to me like kind of tapping into my sinking funds binder. And that is just like something that I want to do to just get a year ahead. And you know, it's always nice. It's like paying your car insurance a year in advance, right? It's a nice little place to be, because it gives you opportunity to kind of take care of other things that you need to. Okay, so that is my budget. I don't want to stretch it out too long. I would love to share the other stuff with you guys, like breaking down not my monthly spending, but like, or my transaction log, but like my weekly expenses and things of that nature. But then the video will get a little too long, and I don't want people to start falling off, you know, the little financial learning path that we are on, right? So I will just do this in the background and then keep you guys posted, which I haven't been doing a good job at it, but you know what? It's a learning curve, and we will do better and try to do better. But sometimes life just be lifing. Life will be lifing. All right. So that is it for now. As usual, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, you know, because it helps the algorithm to let YouTube know that there's a little buzz going on over here, and I have a little safe space where I am sharing my financial journey with you guys. All right. So until next time, bye.